In this video, you're seeing Miss Alaska America 2010 Tracy Zadra and the slideshow of her haircut and the length of her hair and color and whatever. Then there is the thank you card and the certificate I received. The card is from her and the certificate and the letter was from the pageant director. This year I was also an alternative judge for all of the other categories. So here is the video clip just for you. Be sure and watch my other videos.